Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, it's a new project. Today we are going to make a mosaic mirror. I've been requested to do this several times, like to show guys how I come up with this item and the materials I use. One of my friends actually requested me on Facebook to do this project and to advise her on the material she should use to come up with her mosaic mirror. And I have one left in my house. Guys, this is the mirror I made some times back and I just wanted to show you guys in the light. This is how it looks like. It's pretty huge. It's huge. It measures like 60 by 60 centimeters if I'm not wrong, and it's heavy, very heavy guys. So we're going to make a similar one but not as big as this. Is really huge. We don't have to make as big as this, so I'm going to make half of this. We need to make such a frame at the back of our plywood. So this is what I did with the frames. I attached some frames on it, and so that it's easy to hang, and it's also firm because, as you know, plywoods are not firm, they fold. Yeah, they are not straight. So this is what we're going to make for today's project. I hope you try it because it's so easy. It's so easy. Okay, so what you need is such a plywood, just a normal plywood. Yeah, any size. I think any size will do. This is the smallest size. And then at the back, as I said, you need to attach such a wood on it, like so. Yeah, you attach. You can attach. I think you can attach this side and this side, or all round. I like it all round because that way it will be very firm. So as I said, guys, we're not going to do such a big one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it into half and we make two separate ones, or just one. Okay, there was one lady who commented on YouTube as the first ever subscriber and the first ever person to comment on my video, like on my channel. So I'm going to send her some of my items that I'm going to make very soon. Yesterday we made the frame and we consolidated everything, we painted. So throughout the night it dried up. In the evening I painted the back with the white paint, but only one coat. I didn't want to overdo it. If I wanted to, I would, but I didn't want it to be so wet, and by that it would take so long to dry up. So by the front we only painted one coat of paint. Yeah, so, and it's undercoat, it's not the normal paint. Guys, we have a frame. I think I made it, right? I think we can work with these guys. We're just going to attach the mirrors and we grout it and we are done, guys. So attaching the mirrors, you're gonna need glue, and normally I use silicone. Let me show you the kind of silicone I use. I use this Sparko. Let me see. It's clear. It's called high temp RTV silicone. I'm going to attach the details in the description below. And for the grout, you're gonna need any kind of grout. For me, I prefer this Fugo grout. I've always used it, so I've not used any other brand, so I don't know how good they are. So this is the last procedure you do, like after attaching the mirrors, for it to be straight and smooth. This is what you use to smoothen it up. It's the same grout you use for the tiles, for those small spaces on the tiles. So you just mix it with water, you're going to see it, and you're good to go. And I also bought some mirror pieces. I have some mirrors in the house, but I wasn't sure whether they were going to be enough, so I've just bought these 2 pieces. So what I'm going to do with them, I'm just going to crush them, and we attach the mirrors. Yeah, so let's do this, guys. At this point, we're just going to lay the pieces on the board. Just gonna do it any kind of a design or none at all, you know. Let's see, maybe we can begin with the big ones at the top. As we go down, it gets smaller and smaller. So guys, look at that. I asked for white grout, I was given gray. Oh no. So I'm just going to use it, but I don't know how it's going to turn. Look at that. Oh no. Look at that. It's gray. And I had white before, so it's not going to be enough. Anyway, let's just mix it up. We'll see what it looks like. on your sinks because it's going to clog your system, your drainage system. Yeah, it's cement, so you have to be careful with it. You can pour it on the ground instead of in your house because it might clog your drainage system. So we are finally done, and I'm so excited, guys. As I told you yesterday, I bought grey grout instead of white, but I didn't confirm, so I don't know who to blame, maybe myself, because I didn't confirm which grout I was given. And I don't actually, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Look at that, guys. It's just amazing. And here's the back. The back looks like this. It's amazing. So if I wanted to paint it some more, I would, but no need. No need. No one is going to look at the back, so yay! So guys, try this. It's very easy, as you've seen. It's really easy. You can do it. You can just do it in that way. And also, guys, please note, you don't have to do the frame yourself. You can give a working guy to do it for you. It's pretty easy after that. If you have the wood and the frame with you, it's easy. It's just attaching the mirrors and routing, that's it. So also, guys, I'll be uploading a video on every Wednesday. For now, I'm thinking of making it twice a week, but for now I'm just gonna make it once a week. Every Wednesday, guys, always look up to seeing the videos out there on my YouTube channel. So I hope you've enjoyed today's project. Please, guys, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, guys, and share this video with your friends. See you on the next one.